Question number 12. Figure is drawn. Figure says ABC is a triangle which is drawn to circumscribe a circle, and the radius of the circle is given 4 centimeters. So OD, O is the center, D is a point on circumference of circle. So definitely this length or radius is 4 centimeters. Okay, OD is 4. And then they say circle when meets the side of triangle, it meets at point D such that the two lengths, the side is divided into two, I would say, more segments which have got length 6 and 8. CD is 6 centimeters, BD is 8 centimeters. We are asked to find the length of AC. We have to find the length of other two sides, AB and AC. So this is unknown. Radius is, OD is radius which is 4, and length of CD is 6, BD is 8. So this is the information with us. Let's begin with the solution. When you observe the figure very carefully, A, B, C can be taken as points which are in the exterior of the circle, or we can say they are taken as external points. Let me mark these points as E and F. I am marking these as point of contacts. Okay, point where circle and triangle meets. Sides of triangle meet. Fine. Now let us connect. When I join OE, this would also be 90 degree. Reason very well we know, because tangent BE would be serving as a tangent and OE is a radius. Tangent and radius are perpendicular at point of contact, and same thing would be applicable for the other end. Perfect. Now if I say BD has got length 8, the length of BE would also be 8. If CD's length is 6, CF would also be 6. Okay, now from point A, two tangents AF and AE, their length is unknown, because once we are able to find the length of AE and AF and then adding these two 8 and 6 respectively, we would get the sides. We would get the other sides. So I am marking this length as X centimeters. Now let's begin with the solution for this. There are two ways. In fact, the method which we are going to discuss would have two cases. Case number 1, we would join OC, OB, OA, and this whole triangle ABC would be divided into 3 more triangles. Okay, and then sum of those 3 triangles would be equal to the area of this whole triangle. Let's first write area of whole triangle. Area of ABC will be what do we need for area of triangle ABC? It is a scalene triangle. All 3 sides, we don't know what is the measurement of these sides, so we can apply Heron's formula, which we did in class 9, which would give you semi-perimeter. Let's first find semi-perimeter, which would be sum of all sides. What sides? AB. What is AB? It's x plus 8. BC, which is 14. CA, which is x plus 6. and their sum would be divided by 2. So semi-perimeter would be twice of x plus 28 upon 2 or x plus 14. This is semi-perimeter. After we find semi-perimeter, area is square root s minus a first side, s minus b and s minus c. Let's write the values for all these. Semi-perimeter, s is found as x plus 14. From semi-perimeter, we are going to subtract the first side. What was first side? Let me write the sides here. AB is x plus 8. BC is 14. And AC is x plus 6. So, from semi-perimeter, which is x plus 14, we are subtracting the first side, which is x plus 8. So since we are subtracting, change of sign. First side is subtracted, then comes semi-perimeter minus second side, and then semi-perimeter minus this third side. Next step is x plus 14. X and x cancels. This is 6. 14 and 14 cancels. This is x. X and x cancels. This is 8. So finally it is the area over here is x plus 14. Let us put it in that form. This would be 48 into x plus 14. Product of both into x. 48 can be written as 16 into 3. So 16 becomes 4. Take it out of square root. This is 3x plus 14. This is area for case 1. Area of whole triangle. Now we would be dividing this triangle into 3 more triangles by joining AO, OB and OC. So look at the figure. Triangle ABC is divided into 3 more triangles. We did construction. AO, OB, OC are joined. So now let's talk about area of triangle BOC, and then I would just write it here. Area of BOC is half into what is base. Base is this whole BC. Base is 14 and height is 4. Simplifying this, we get 28. Solve it. 28 centimeters square. Now area of triangle, okay, BOC is done. Let's take AOB. Area of AOB will be half into base. Base is x plus 8. And what is height? Height remains constant here because radius is serving as height for all the triangles. Simplifying this, this becomes 2 times x plus 8. This is area of AOB. And finally, area of triangle AOC. half into base, which is x plus 6, into height, which is 4. Solving this, you would get twice of x plus 6 centimeter square. Now kids, our next step would be, because we have already discussed that the triangle ABC is broken down and is actually it comprises of 3 triangles, AOB, BOC and AOC. So area of equation 1 will be now equator to some of these areas. That implies area of ABC is equal to area of BOC plus AOB plus AOC. So there are areas we have already found. Let's just write it in that equation form and solve for the unknown variable x. Area of ABC is 4 times square root of 3x x plus 14, and on the other hand these areas which are 28 BOC, AOB's area was twice of x plus 8 and area of AOC is twice of x plus 6. Next step is simplification. I guess we can divide. Let's first compress this. This becomes 28. This is 2x and 2x would become 4x, and this is 16 plus 12 would be 28. This is 4 times 3x x plus 14. In our next step, let's divide both the sides by 4. What do we get on dividing both sides by 4? This is square root of, before that let's do one more thing. This is actually 56 plus 4x. Yeah. Now dividing both sides by 4, it becomes 3x x plus 14, and this becomes 14 plus x. Perfect. Okay, so this is the final equation. Can we now square both the sides? I'll just write it here. Squaring both sides of this equation, it becomes 3x x plus 14, because we know square root would be eliminated from this end. 3x into x plus 14 is equal to x plus 14 whole square, or it becomes 3x x plus 14 minus, bring it to the other end, x plus 14 whole square equals to 0. I would be taking x plus 14 common. What remains in? 3x from here and x plus 14 from here, and when we open the bracket it becomes x minus 14. Okay, now one factor is x plus 14. Either x plus 14 should be 0, because when you know product of 2 is 0, it means either this x plus 14 is 0 or 2x minus 14 must be 0. So x becomes minus 14, which would be rejected clearly, because x was the measure of a side a part of a side, it can't be negative. And 2x 14 makes x as 7, and if x is 7, AB and AC can be easily found. AB would be add x and 8. For AC, add x and 6. So the other sides are 15 and 13 centimeters. I'm sure this must be clear to everyone.